How's everybody doing? Welcome back to another video of the Many Roads We Travel 2. Because now we have to be known as the Many Roads We Travel 2. Because in the previous video, I'm pretty sure we talked about we were hacked on Instagram. So yes, we had to change it. So we are still the Many Roads We Travel, but now it's the Many Roads We Travel 2. Kind of lost my train of thought here, but
we've got boxes.
Yes, we got boxes, and also working on another custom figure right here. Comment below on who you think it might be. I'm excited about this figure actually. If it turns out the way I'm hoping it turns out, this is going to be my entry for Zolicon, and hopefully it'll be a winner.
You're a winner to me.
I love you.
Love you too.
So I got 2 boxes actually. Of course the wrestling crate, and then this box. So Pro Wrestling Tees will have exclusives, and they will sell certain things separate. Sometimes they'll do t-shirts, or they'll do pins, and then they'll do the micro brawlers. And this is micro brawler of Abdullah the Butcher.
You should have just opened the box first and then be like, surprise.
Well, I don't know if it's going to be a variant or if it's going to be a regular one, so it's going to be a surprise either way.
But you could had them all surprised. That's like telling the ending of the episode for everybody.
What?
Or anything.
So if you want to find out about the ending of any episode,
leave
a comment. Ooh. Now, because this is a figure by itself, I really don't know if there is a chase to go along with it, but really cool. The Madman from the Sudan, Bill the Butcher, and another collector-friendly package. And there's the whole card in the back. Yeah. So if you ever seen Abdullah the Butcher, you'll know that a lot of his matches were very violent and bloody. He feuded with a lot of people. Bruiser Brody and Abdullah, those two feuded for a while, and then along with a whole bunch of other people too. But yeah, do you hear that?
Yeah, that's the second time.
I'm gonna say that's thunder.
That's the weirdest thunder I've ever heard.
We're supposed to get a storm. So anyway, back to the unboxing.
Let's hope. We've had that shooting.
No, there was no the shooting of the video. Right, no. Absolutely.
No, we had a shooting in our neighborhood a couple weeks ago.
The video.
It was the same week as 4th of July, because I thought it was fireworks.
Yes.
And then we found out it was not. So.
A lot of fireworks. So, another box.
Gonna die. He literally only has one.
Yeah, well, we're almost done this.
Start it.
Nope, not gonna. to that later. You can hold on to that. I got
It's a shirt.
yes, it is. It's a T-shirt of some kind. It's a CM Punk shirt. It's clobbering time. Pretty nifty. Then we got this is ooh, I like this.
I figured you would.
This is the Runaway Ruby Soho, also known as Ruby Riot. Then we got that's cool. Micro Brawler of Awesome Kong, also in another collector friendly package. There's the card. Then we got a pin of D'Lo Brown.
There's 100 chase variants of the pin and 250 chase variants of the Micro Brawler.
And unfortunately, I don't have either one of them.
How do you know?
Because it'll say, I'll have the little cheese sticker right here, and then also on the pin as well.
I thought it was cool. I never noticed they had the word Micro Brawler on the foot. Oops. You can really see that from here. Oh, there it goes. It's kind of like Andy's toys from Toy Story.
I think this is Dark Order. I'm not really sure. The patch.
Evil Uno.
Oh, okay. Well, Amber's looking at everything, so Evil Uno patch. It's pretty cool. I actually do like that. Then we have the Tales from the Road comic book. I got like a whole stack of these I haven't read yet. I might get there one day.
Just so you and Jensen can start reading them.
No, he'll just rip the pages.
Well, when he gets like older to where he can.
I got a X-Pac sticker, which I'll have to send a picture of this to Negan. For some reason, a friend of ours hates X-Pac. I don't know why he dislikes him so much. And, of course, the 8x10 autograph. Who is this?
Scotty Too Hottie.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know why, but he looked different. At first, I was like, oh, a bushwhacker? But no, it's Scotty Too Hottie. But, yeah.
So they actually had two things of X-Pac. Because it says the comic book was actually Headlocked comic book. But that says Tales from the Road. It doesn't even...
Right.
Oh, Headlocked Comics
Right.
is the name of the comics.
Okay, I guess that's supposed to be him down there. Oh, it says Waltman, Kingston Hills. So Waltman would be...
Gotcha.
That's Sean Waltman, which is X-Pac. But I don't know if the... so I'm guessing this is supposed to be him right down here, X-Pac. This kind of looks like Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. If that is supposed to be him, I don't know. And everybody else, I'm really not sure. But yeah. So that's everything from this box. I do like the Evil Uno patch.
They didn't know who it was at first.
No, I didn't know, but I thought it was actually kind of cool looking.
Mm-hmm.
But, well, disappointing. Like, you don't really see much of Dark Order anymore on AEW, and I feel like the faction itself is starting to fall apart. Not so much that falling apart, like, you know, the faction itself's not getting along, but I feel like they're kind of running out of ideas for them. You don't really see Dark Order come together like they used to, and one. I feel like I'm getting like the girls mixed up. I want to say Anna Jay, but I don't think it's Anna Jay. That's part of Dark Order. But you see her, the one that was with Dark Order, she came out to help out. Looking right at her, but the girl that's with
She's here.
Yeah, she's here right now. But I can't remember the other dude right now. Oh my goodness gracious.
And you call yourself a wrestling fan.
I am. I had it right there.
It's called old age. Somebody just had a birthday last week. Somebody's now 38 years old.
See, I'm trying to remember, but she keeps saying stuff, and it's just throwing me off. Anyway, so Dark Order. Not really seeing like all the members. Stu Grayson just left not too long ago. Apparently his contract was up, and he didn't want to renew. But yeah, I would like to see more of Dark Order coming together and doing more stuff. Awesome Kong, who was really cool. I just wish she had a better run in WWE when she came in as Karma.
Is this the first female micro brawler you've gotten?
I want to say they made other ones in the past. I want to say I might have another female, but I don't remember who it is. Or this might be my first one. I'm not really sure. I don't know. I got a lot of them.
You don't say. It's been almost 3 years now.
Yeah, I've been getting these. Yeah.
All right, the spoiler alert time for next month.
Also, like the Ruby Soho shirt. Yeah, that's very cool. Go ahead.
Owen Hart, FTR, Adam Cole, King Harley Race, The Godfather, British Bulldog, and Lance Archer.
Ooh.
Yeah, I had to have some kind of point in being here in this video.
I love you.
I love you too.
So if anybody knows what FTR really stands for, please comment below. I've been wondering for a while. I heard like 3 different names that FTR stands for, but I don't remember hearing what the actual name is.
First Time Rush.
That was not one of them. Definitely wasn't. Oh dear Lord. It's
12:30 at night.
And we're both tired, and I gotta get early for work. Well, you're not a professional dodge car player.
Oh yeah, and who worked a 12-hour shift Monday night, and then is working a 12-hour shift tonight, and now only have 3 hours of sleep because somebody else wouldn't help wake up to take care of our son.
I did, and she told me to go back to sleep, and I got this. So that's Unless you have anything else to say.
Have a good night.
Yes. Have a good night. That's gonna do it for
Many roads we travel to.
Yes.
Unboxing.
I'm trying to close the box, and there we go. I got it this time.
You obviously can't do two things at once. Yes, I am me.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes, you are.
That's why you married me.
So, yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, if you guys want to see, more stuff, if you want to see more of the custom figures, if you want to see videos on like my personal collections, what I have, we're gonna try to do some more of the flea market finds. Lately it's just haven't been finding a whole lot at the flea markets.
It's been really hot too.
Really hot, plus people are on vacation during summer too, so I did pick up a couple of things that we're going to make another video and show that off. So but yeah, until next time, we are the Many Roads We Travel to, and we'll see you back with another video.
Bye.